Okay, hi Forex traders. It's September 11th, 2014, and we're doing it again. Another Forex Power Hour. Okay, so guys, yesterday we actually closed with a loss of 24 pips on all across the pairs. Some of them won, some of them lost. The yen pairs didn't do well. Our euro did well. It went up to where we thought it would go. It actually went right up to 129, almost 56, which is where we have the high, 129.50. Getting back to the euro here, what we're going to end up doing is I've got a no call on the euro, but I want you to look for 129.56 to be an area of resistance again. So if you see an opportunity there, you may very well just want to take it. It's an unofficial entry. Okay, consider that. Moving right along, I've got the dollar Swiss, and you see the dollar Swiss continue to move on, but it's moving into a consolidation now. I'm going to be looking for a buy off of 0.9328 on the dollar Swiss, 0.9328 buy. The pound dollar is looking to finally close that gap and close it well. So we're going to be looking for a sell at 1.6275. So at 1.6275, which it looks like it's moving to, look for a, actually, what is that? It's 1.62. Yeah, 1.6275. So 1.6275 sell on the pound dollar. The dollar yen has just been moving so far up straight that I don't want to mess with it. It's just so much going on here, and it's so pulled so far away that eventually it's going to have a big drop. Eventually, we could have had a lot of wins up until that time. I'm going to be building in some controls for trending into our system and doing a lot of testing on it, guys. So this is, we're just going to not call the dollar yen right now. Obviously, it's in an uptrend. It's been moving up. It's up to you if you decide you want to take a buy off of that, but we're not calling it. We got a no call on the dollar yen. The Aussie dollar as well just shot straight down, really used that area of support resistance, the 80 Bollinger Band, as an area to bounce down off of, and really had a nice big sell off of it. It's down to 91.04 right now. We're actually going to have a no call on that. Just too much volatility there. There is such thing as too much volatility, believe it or not. On this New Zealand dollar, though, we're going to go ahead and we have areas of support and resistance that are really strong, like this. We have a pod. We have a pod 3 that looks very, very good. Pod 3 strong, and we also have this area, this area of resistance here, the trend line that coincide with that. A lot of stuff going on at that area, so we're going to use it as, and we also have a pod B strong as well. We're going to be using that as an area of resistance, and we're going to sell the New Zealand dollar at 81.96. If we can get there, we're going to sell at 81.96. All right, so the pound yen, basically we're buying right off of this area where it just went down to, actually. So anytime now would be a good time to buy, and the buy point was at 173.68. You can see it's already moved up. It's already moving. It's very, very quick. It's only been 30 minutes since the new session, and already moved down to 173.76 and really moved up already. So, but we've got to buy at 173.68. Okay. Euro yen also, we've got to buy. We've got to buy off this trend line here. We're going to buy at 138.05. So buy at 138.05. And the dollar CAD, as much as I would like to do something with this, so much going on. There's a beautiful older trend line here that's showing us some support and resistance. Was support, now it's resistance. Market passed through it, used it as resistance. We're going to go ahead and not do anything with it. We could really easily have a sell right off of that level. But you know, because of the power of the trend, we're just not going to go against that. So for that reason, we have a no call on the dollar CAD. But just so you're aware of it, you know what's going on. There's a trend line there at 1.1033. There's also a nice area of support at 1.1047. So in between that zone, which is about 15 pips, you have a tremendous amount of tremendous amount of resistance. All right, with that, guys, those are our calls for today, September 11th, 2014. We wish you all the best. Bye-bye.